How's it going? I got a wild hair in my butt to see if I could hook up an Arduino or an 18 mega based board to an arcade monitor to see if I could generate signals to adjust the monitor. You know, something as simple like a little dot bar generator, or even just colored screens, or preferably a screen with 4 colored squares on it. You know, a red, green, blue, and white square. But oddly enough, not a lot of cross interest out there. So I had to find, eventually stumbled across the TVout library, looked at it, it didn't look like it would work, put a post up on the Arduino forums asking, and it got linked back to me again, so I decided to give it a try, hooked it up, put it on a TV, worked just fine. And then I started looking at the signals that would be needed for an arcade monitor, and hey, what do you know? So finally decided to go ahead and do it. And I had to find a machine that I wanted to hook up just in case anything went wrong. And well, Gallagher drew the short straw because it has this nice little video cable here. Plus it was right here beside the door, so it was easy to get to. So whatever. But hey, check it out. Let me go ahead and reset the Arduino and see if I can get around front fast enough. Look at that. It's looking for the red line right now, but go ahead and rotate the camera. As you can see, it does just fine. So, that's nice. Now I just got to figure out how to get, you know, some added pins, get everything working. Yeah, Gallagher's still running. So, sorry about the sound. So, it's great on one pin, but as far as getting it out onto some other pins, to, you know, to get me my red, green, and blue, gonna have to see. I'm not really good with programming and crap like that, so probably gonna have to come and ask for some help. But look at that, she works just fine on a regular old arcade monitor. So there is that. Like I said, we just have to figure out some way to get the right, Dragon's Lair kicked in. Figure out how to get the green and blue signals also, or the red and blue, or the red and green, which depending on where you put the frickin' wire, really. So there is that. It does work just fine. So that's nice. Nice-ish. So I'm going to tinker with it and see if I can get something going. I'm trying to look at the code, and it's a lot of gibberish to me. So I'm going to have to read up and see if I can figure something out. But there we go. Working just fine. All right. Y'all take it easy. Later.